Marsha Gail-Davis, and I'd like to share a tip with you for the holidays. So usually I talk about nutrition, exercise, stress management, sleep, but today I want to share the tip of self-compassion with you. And what is self-compassion? It's actually extending a level of kindness and care that you would to a good friend. And it's extending grace to yourself during tough times. And I think that is so important because one of the biggest barriers that I notice when I'm even discussing changing lifestyle with my patients is there's just a level of, or a lack of self-compassion, where people just beat them on themselves, really just for past mistakes, things that maybe they didn't do, they haven't done, and there's this just feeling of, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. And what I notice is that those are things in the past that have already happened or were moved, far away, removed from them. And what I notice is that when those things are brought up again, it's almost like they're given life, even though they were dead already. But for us to bring them up and say, gosh, you didn't do this, you didn't do that, what's wrong with you? You don't have any willpower, you can't make this changes, how many times are you going to do this and then fall off the bandwagon again? It's as if you're giving those things that were dead life. And we don't want to do that because we actually can move forward with a new perspective, a newness of life. And I just wanted to encourage you to practice that self-compassion to yourself, to appreciate even by watching this video right now, that is an indication that you're already taking the steps to improving your health moving forward. So during these holidays, allow yourself to enjoy the holidays, and always remember to practice self-compassion because you're worthy and valuable enough to appreciate for the decisions that you're making that are positive for your health. So I wish you happy holidays and love on yourself, care for yourself, practice self-compassion.